Hey everyone, Ryan here. It's quite common for logs to have attributes where the value is null, or there's an empty string. And what happens is you end up sending these logs to your destinations, and you're sending along this attribute, and you're storing it, and you're paying to store it, but you don't need it. It's not providing any additional value. And so I want to show you how to use BindPlane to remove those kind of attributes. So let's start, as we usually do, by inspecting our data stream. I'm sending some Nginx logs to Grafana here. And if we look at the logs, within the attributes, this host attribute has just kind of a hyphen here. Similarly for the request refer and the user. So it's not null, but it is empty, and that's being denoted by Nginx kind of with this hyphen. And so let me show you how we can remove those in BindPlane. So I'm going to come back to my configuration. We'll add a processor. Oops. Edit a new version first. We'll add a processor. And the processor is called delete empty values. Okay, so first we choose which types of telemetry we want it to apply to. I'm going to just leave that on all. And by default, it's going to delete null values. This is a null value or an empty string. You can also have it delete lists or maps if that's relevant to you. But as we saw in this case, the values aren't actually null. There's a hyphen there. And so under advanced, there's this empty string values parameter. We're going to add a dash. And we can save that. We'll roll that out to our agent. Great. Now if we inspect the telemetry again, you'll see that host attribute and the request refer are both gone. And so what that did is it looked for any attributes that had a value that were null or a hyphen, and then removed those attributes from the log stream. So pretty cool stuff. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.